Processing technology of scraps to make pellets includes the following parts: crushing, screening, drying, hydraulic aggregate bin, fine powder, hydraulic aggregate bin, pellet making, pooling, ton packing, dust IAM, oval. The processing technology of granules can be customized according to customer requirements. Raw material granulation standard: less than 8 mm fineness, about 15% moisture. Crushing: use the Tyrannosaurus wood chipper to coarsely pulverize planks with BLO, CKS, side skins, branches, trunks, and building templates. Screening: the large wood is sieved out and broken again, and the fine material enters the dryer for drying. Drying: dry the broken wood through a humble dryer, and the drying is reduced to 10% to 15%. Hydra, Ulick silo: the dried coarse powder enters the silo, and waits for the fine powder. Fine powder: the material is further pulverized by a high-efficiency crusher to meet the granulation requirements. Hydraulic silo: the crushed material enters the silo and waits for granulation. Pellet making: according to the different output, one or more centrifugal high-efficiency pellet machine can be used for pellet making. Cooling: when the temperature of the pellets from the pellet machine is above 90 degrees, they need to be cooled before they can be aged. Packaging: it can be configured with ton bag weighing and particle packaging scale. Dust removal: a large amount of dust will be generated in the process of material crushing, drying and granulation, which will not only cause physical harm to workers but also damage to the machine. According to local environmental protection requirements, post-production can be adopted and an overall dust removal system can be configured. If you are interested in our product, please feel free to contact us.